Time to learn SQL. I can't do it. Man, if only there was a way to learn SQL in a more fast and more fun way. Hi, my name is Davis Key, and today I'm going to be presenting for my 411 final group project, which is the sequel. The sequel is an attempt to make SQL learning more fast, more fun, and more friendly, and hopefully this will get implemented into later iterations of the CS 411 course. Let's get started, yeah. This is live at the sequel.versatile.app, so feel free to check it out at any time if you want to. This is our splash screen. To the left, we have a short blurb about what we do, and to the right, we have a live SQL sandbox where we can just run any query in here. This is just a little demonstration of what our platform is able to accomplish. If you want to learn more about the SQL, we have a About tab here, which you can see just a few things about our application and a few key features of our web app. One of them is we have an auto-grader for fast grading on assignments. We also have a live SQL sandbox, which allows you to test out queries in real time. And we also have open classrooms, which means that anybody is able to view assignments and try them out themselves. No sign-in or account creation necessary. So yeah, let's check out what we have here. This is our SQL sandbox. We have 3 tables that students are able to query from, courses, enrollments, and students. This is modeled after one of the CS 411 database schemas. What we can do is we can actually just go ahead and run any code in here that we want. So we can say, select CRN from courses instead, and boom, we get all of our CRNs. And of course, you can create more advanced SQL queries than this. I'm just not going to do that for the sake of time. One super quick thing that I forgot to mention is that we actually do some query validation on the back end to make sure that users can't publish any malicious SQL. So for example, if we tried to delete the students table, it's going to yell at us and say, hey, stop, don't do that. Please use read-only operations. We can also check out our classrooms tab. You can see all the classrooms that are listed out here, and in each classroom we have a list of assignments. This assignment is called Get All Courses, so we can write a SQL query to get all the entries from the courses table. I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. So let's select all from courses, courses, and we can click grade me here, and we have a grade, so this gives us a 10 out of 10, it's 100%, and it also gives us the resulting query. If instead we were to do, limit 5, we would match 5 of the 10 expected values, which would give us a 50%. But yeah, let's say that we wanted to actually be tracking our progress as we go ahead and learn more SQL. We can go ahead and sign in with Google. So I can sign in with my Illinois student email, and it'll give us a few more options now in the nav bar. Namely, we have this profile tab. It looks like we have no actual grades in for me right now, but let's change that. So let's go back to our classrooms, get all courses. I'm going to write the exact same query. So select all from courses. Actually, I'll just give you a little demonstration. So let's say we wrote this query for this challenge. And there we go. We get a 5 out of 10. So if we go now to our profile, looks like we have 1 grade in here for Get All Courses, which is a 5 out of 10. If we go back to this assignment, we just say select all from courses. We just click grade, and now we get a 10 out of 10. We can go back to our profile and see that our grade has been updated from a 5 out of 10 to a 10 out of 10. And yeah, we can do this for as many assignments as we want to. And there's no real distinction right now between the classrooms. Later on, we'd like a student to enroll in one classroom only. In this way, we could have easier assignment management for teachers. But for now, this is how that is managed. And yeah, we can go ahead and sign out, and returns us back to our home page. And that's about it. Yeah, this is our application. Thanks to SQL, now I can learn SQL in a fast, friendly way. And also thank you to all the CS 411 course staff out there, especially you, Abdu. Thank you for making this class super fun and getting me excited to learn about database systems. Yeah. Have an awesome summer.